Hello everyone and welcome to the test of DJI's latest drone. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact and lightweight drone that complies with C0 regulations, meaning it doesn't require a pilot's license in most countries. It features a 48 megapixels camera with a 1.3-inch sensor, 03 plus video transmission, and a battery providing a 34-minute flight time. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More bundle includes the drone, DJI RC2 remote controller, 3 batteries, a fast charger, a carrying bag, USB-C cable, and a set of spare propellers. With dimensions of 138.1 by 80.6 by 56.1 millimeters and a weight of 250 grams, its lightness makes it more susceptible to wind. The maximum wind resistance speed is 10.7 ms, about 38 km/h. Its maximum flight height is 4,000 meters, and the video transmission range is 20 km in sport mode. It reaches a speed of 57.6 km/h, while in normal mode, the default mode, the maximum speed is 43.2 km/h. The DJI Mini 4 Pro excels in performance for its size, capturing high-quality images and videos in 4K at 60 frames per second and 1080p at 120 frames per second. It has a 3-axis mechanical image stabilizer, and the 03 plus video transmission ensures stable and smooth footage. It features omnidirectional obstacle detection and various modes like cinematic, hyperlapse, active track 4.0, and quickshot. The DJI RC2 remote has a 5.5-inch touchscreen for drone control and image preview. Priced at €1,129 with accessories or €799 without, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers great value. Its compact size, lightweight, 48MP camera, 03 plus video transmission, and diverse features make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users interested in high-quality aerial photography and videography. The main drawback is its flight autonomy. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact and powerful drone with an excellent price-performance ratio, suitable for aerial photography, videography, and recreational use.
Landing.
To support me and see the next videos, please subscribe.